Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get a face shape filter on Instagram. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To get a face shape filter on Instagram, you need to search for a specific creator-made effects within the app's effect gallery, as there is no official built-in face shape filter. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Instagram and swipe left just like that. And on the filters, you can simply go ahead and head into the last, which is going to be browse effects, and tap on that. And once you've tapped on that, you can simply click on the search bar and then simply go ahead and search for face shape filter. So just like that, or you could also look at face, and then as you can see, there are going to be a couple of face shape filters just like that. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.